because I couldn't figure out the toe and all that stuff by eyeball, I want to get a proper full wheel alignment, so that way when we go to the tracks, go to the mountains, go cornering, we got that nice wheel alignment so the car feels nice and snug around corners, boosting around. Can't wait to try out the new setup once we get the wheel alignment. But as you guys can see, the weather looks trash as, man. And that's not going to be fun for cornering. Well, it is in some ways, but for what I want to try it out around like fast cornering, around some grip, just to see how that rear end feels, I'm not going to be able to do that in the rain. Like you long time subscribers, I don't know what it is, I feel like it's always raining here, man. It's just every day rain, rain, rain. I work in the rain, I drive in the rain, I'm just so over it. I can't wait for summer, man. And hopefully this lockdown bullshit ends, and that way we can do a CKJ meet. I really want to do a CKJ meet, and then we're going to do some more JDM meets as well, go out for nice cruises, film a lot of cars, film a lot of videos boosting around. Enough of that talk, we're going to go get the wheel alignment and then we'll hit up the touge and see how the car feels. Alright dudes, just finished up with my wheel alignment at Riley Garage. Pretty much everything is nearly spot on. Like, even though I did an eyeball on the ride height and the toe with the GK Tech Hicas Delete kit, I was pretty close to a lot of things, but I feel like I didn't show you guys properly of the spec sheets of the wheel alignment, so we'll just go through that right now. You can see here 7.3, 6.7, that's my front caster. Then the front camber 2.69 and then 3.10. Because I don't have camber arms, that's the best we're going to do, especially with the ride height that I set it at. And then with the front toe, we got it at 0, so that's why the steering feels really nice around corners. So I can't wait to try that in the dry. Now with the rear camber, we've got it at 1.87 on both sides. That's pretty sick. And then the rear toe 1.2 and 1.3. That's also perfect. So I'm really happy that Riley Garage fixed my car. But yeah, I'm so happy with this wheel alignment by Riley Garage. He's such a perfect dude as well. Pretty much run down everything with the car, saying what I could do in the future if I wanted to do more stuff. Now we're going to go for a test drive. But the problem is, the ground is really wet, so I'm not going to be like hammering or anything. I'm just going to see how it feels around corners. We'll hit some boost here and there. We'll listen to that nice turbo flutter as well, so we'll see how this ride goes with this very damp road. And this place is very slippery in the rain as well, because there's a lot of leaves on the ground too, so that makes it extra slippery. So we'll see how we go. You can already notice a massive difference with the wheel alignment. Like the car feels a lot more grippier, even though we're not doing some sharp turns. We'll see how it feels around here. This part is so slippery in the rain, so we'll see how these good ride tires are. Damn dude, that's some grip right there. Even though the ground's wet, fucking hell, that's mad. Running in the rain. You can already feel how the rear is as well. Like the rear feels very flat. That's perfect, man. So the rear subframe slip-in collars, the GK Tech Eliminate kit as well. Plus this wheel alignment, the camber arms, oh man. I can't wait till this place is dry and just hammer it. Oh, this feels fantastic, dude. My car used to understeer so bad through in the rain, even at this speed. Right now, it's just locking, it's like stuck to the ground. Oh, this is so good. Cyclist during this weather, get out of here. Oh my god, this fucking magnet machine again, as if people are dropping tax during lockdown, man. man, cannot complain about this wheel alignment. It just feels more sharper around corners as well. Like the steering response is so much better. And as soon as I turn into the corner, it just locks right there, man. So this is the first time I've ever got to enjoy my car with a decent wheel alignment since we've got the, as I said, we've got the GK Tech Eliminate kit, the camber arms, bigger wheels. Oh man, I can't wait to see how this thing feels in the dry. This is going to be absolutely mental. Highly recommend getting your car dialed in by Riley Garage. They did an amazing job. If you guys use coilovers and arms and stuff, you definitely want to get a wheel alignment. You just want to have your car perfectly dialed in. Trust me, it's worth it. It's not even that expensive. It's very affordable to get a whole wheel alignment done too. See how we go going through this way of the course. Take this turn, see how it feels. Train on rails, man. This is sick. I've said that so many times now, holy crap. I'm just really happy that I got my car feeling good again, man. Like, yes, it's nice to have power, but you also want to have a car that feels good around corners as well. And you want the best suspension setup that you want. I'm going to do a couple more laps just to see how the car really feels, get used to this new setup. In the rain, like obviously it's a bit more sketchy to like fully test out this setup, but once it's all dry, we'll come back and see how we go. Higher revs through this corner just to see how it feels. Oh, it's beautiful. We're gonna do a walk around my R33. I'll show you guys the ride height that I've done. It's not too low, not too high, just right. So if you ask me, this ride height's pretty spot on, man. I'm digging it. Some decent fitment right there as well, so it looks really cool. See how the car feels on this part up here, because this is also sketchy going uphill. It like definitely understeers the rain as well. Oh, these tires set up so good. That was perfect. Since doing that run in the rain, I have very high confidence that in the dry I'm going to be killing it like I used to back when I was younger, my R32 days. Oh man, it's so good to have a car dialed in, like right amount of power, perfect steering response. And that's another thing, he made sure my steering rack was dead center, so that way left and right turns are completely even on full lock on both sides, so that's perfect. Made it back, the test drive was successful. As you guys heard me say a million times how happy I am with this R33. It's finally nice to have this car dialed in. Can't wait for lockdown to end. Hit up some nice touge spots and just go for some mad cruises. With the steering wheel, I know you guys are probably saying, why do I have the stock one on? Don't worry, I'm going to get a real gnarly wheel very, very soon. And up next, I got the S14 to do, because next month we've got Keep It Read. On November 6th, we're going to be drifting the S14. We're going to pick up some more tires, and then we're going to hit up that track, and we're going to finally have some mad drift content. I just feel so bad for the S14 because we never ever really get to drive it. It just sits in my driveway. So finally, November at Keep It Read, we get to have fun in the S14. Hopefully we don't run into any issues, because I'll be so pissed off if we do. But I'm going to make sure, I'm going to check everything over, make sure to bring some spare parts just in case. I just can't wait to be drifting. It's been so long since I've actually had a proper hard driving session. The GK Tech Hicas Delete Kit, I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10. Best mod you can do when it comes to keeping those rear wheels dead straight. You want to get rid of that old Hicas unit, it's a piece of crap. And with coilovers, if you guys haven't seen the video, I installed BC Racing Gold Series coilovers into this R33, and they've been so perfect. They just feel so nice around corners, so that's another bonus as well. Now with Riley Garage, definitely get a wheel alignment done by them. This car feels phenomenal. I'm not making up this crap. I am so happy with this car. If you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. I often get questions about what turbo I'm running or what setup I've got. I go through my channel. I've got a bunch of videos where I do mods on my car stuff, show you guys where to get your parts from, how to install them. So make sure to check out the videos. All the answers are there, because I've said how many times to people that the Hypergear turbo that I've got, I keep repeating myself in like nearly every video. So just make sure to watch videos like how to make 550 horsepower, rebuilding the RB25. It's all in there, guys. Trust me, it's worth the watch, and you get to learn too. It's awesome to see how many supporters I got from this channel, pretty much leaving comments in every video, hitting me up on my Instagram. And it's pretty crazy that they tell me that the reason they bought a Skyline is because of watching this channel, or when they work on their car, they watch my videos and it helps them out. So that really means a lot to me that these videos help you guys out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Share this video to your mates. And thank you guys again for watching this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.